everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am going to be showing you several different Valentine's Day mini albums over the next couple of days. These are mini albums I have made. There are going to be some tutorials listed on my site. If there is a tutorial, I'll put it in the description box. All of these mini albums are listed in my Etsy shop at this point, although they may sell because they may be on sale when you're watching this video. So if you're interested in purchasing these, check out the links in the description box, which will take you right to my Etsy shop or right to the tutorial of the specific albums. They are all different shapes and sizes. I have from a very loaded large mini album to one that's not necessarily Valentine's Day, but could be trip, vacation, whatever, shabby chicish. And then I have some no mini albums. I have some accordion albums. I have Cupid albums. I have vintage. So over the next couple of videos, you're going to see quite an assortment of different albums. So I hope you'll join along with me. And for now, let's check out today's mini album. And today's mini album is another 7x7 mini album in the shabby chic style. So it does have love on the front, and there are lots of other red accents, but besides that, it's not a full-blown Valentine's Day album, but I do have it in the Valentine's collection. So again, 7x7, and the front cover opens like this, so you can put photos before you even open up the first page in the book. But let's take you inside. So shabby chic, there's some writing with that wallpaper pattern behind it. This will open like that, and that'll open that way. It says, you should know you are charming, adorable, and ever so sweet. So that'll come down. That reveals number 17 and a journaling spot there. And I love this paper. Now, these pages do have a photo mat from the top. So a top-loading photo mat. The pages, by the way, whoops, are 6x6. So this will open up, and again, a game piece or clock hand, whatever you want to say. That'll open like that, and that'll keep it closed. Here's a cute little bird cage and a bird that'll open that way, and that goes to the side. And then those both will come down, revealing room to put another photo. This will come here, this will come here, and then they'll all come down to put a photo there. This bird cage holds this together, although those were separate, to reveal a sewing pattern with some red glitter detail. And that is actually a belly band. This next page has another game piece to hold this red stripe paper with that red glitter detail. Red polka dot paper there. And a couple of fold outs there. This says Journey. And then we've got a photo mat or journaling card. So they're dark, so you can still journal on them. Just use a white gel pen. Another game piece here. And this will open like that. Music notes. And I just love the colors of this. So this will come out of the pocket, and that will open like that. And then it also opens like that. So lots of room for small photos. And then on the final page, we have a side loading pocket and a photo mat there, and room here on the back for one beautiful photo. So that is the mini album we have for today. This again was a 7x7 mini album with 5 signatures in the shabby chic style. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.